I saw the advert for Norco with part-time on the shop floor, part-time in the office, really appealed to me for the kind of practical mix as well as the maths and Excel work. It's been really good on the shop floor that I've been spread around doing different manufacturing techniques. So I started doing wet lamination on open moulding, and then moved into some more infusion-based stuff on flat tables and on open moulds. And then also moving over to a different site, working with pre-preg carbons, which has been really interesting. It's been really good at Norco that we work with so many different sectors and different clients. We're spread across the marine sector, aerospace, defence. Norco's atmosphere, I'd say, is incredibly friendly and supportive. Everyone's really happy to help out and teach you something or give you a bit of advice, which is really brilliant from a placement student point of view. For anyone applying to placement next year, I would say if you've got a hands-on attitude and are keen to get stuck in, come and do it.